Hello friends, welcome back to Learnomate Technologies YouTube channel. My name is Ankush and I am here with the day 3. No, it's not the 3. It should be 4 because the third is already done. I think there was a mistake, so it's day 4. Alright, spelling mistake is there. Let me write down day 4. So if you have not seen my previous video based on the cloud fundamental series, please go back and check all the previous 3 videos. This is the 4th video, again very interesting. So what is this cloud deployment model? So in today's lecture we are going to talk about a different model you will see in the cloud. What is this? So basically there are 3 models are there. One is public cloud, second one is private cloud, third one is hybrid, and fourth is, what is the fourth one? Basically I would give one more name, multi cloud over here. So basically whenever you are talking about the cloud, there are 4 type of model you will see. Like take an example of a customer. A customer is saying that, boss, I want to have an infrastructure, but I am not sure like whether I should go with the on premises or I should go with the cloud. Then he has taken the decision like, okay, let's go with the cloud. But in cloud also he has seen the multiple categories are there, multiple deployment models are there. Among that, the first deployment model is public cloud. What is this public cloud? What do you think? As the name suggests, public means anyone can use it. So basically there are cloud vendors are there. For example, the biggest cloud vendors are like your AWS, GCP, Azure. What they have done, they have created an infrastructure. They have a huge server, huge storage, networking, security, everything they have, and they are providing their services to people like you and me. For example, I am thinking that I need a virtual machine. So what I will do, I will go to the AWS saying that, can you please create a virtual machine for me with this much of memory, this is the security, these are the firewalls. They will create it for you. Means we need to create from you, again like you need to hire some, or if you are an admin, like it just work like small thing, and they are going to provide the services for you. These services, again, it is not completely free of cost. You need to pay as you go service. What does it mean? Whatever the resources you are going to use for that services, you need to pay the money. If you are using it for 1 hour, these many services for 1 hour, you need to pay the cost. So in the public cloud, there are vendors, the cloud vendors are there. They have a huge amount of resources are there, and you can go there, pay as you go with the service, and you can take the advantages of these services. That is called public cloud. In public cloud, you don't have the upfront cost, means you don't need to purchase a server, you don't need to purchase the resources and all. You are just paying for the services that you are going to use in your production environment. Second cloud will be your private cloud. Now as the name suggests, private cloud are kind of similar like your on premises only. For example, normally in the banking system, the banks are saying that their data are very critical. They cannot trust the people like these cloud vendors. They cannot trust this AWS, GCP. I know that they have a security, but again, it is like you are giving your gold to someone else, saying that, okay, you take care of my gold. I know that you are trusting, but somewhere there is some sort of things, negative things are there in your mind. So private cloud are the cloud. It is a cloud services only. So it is like kind of on premises plus cloud related services are available, but this cloud is not accessible by the outsider. For example, there is a company called VMware. VMware have their private cloud. So VMware has designed the cloud in a such way that their services will be used by the VMware only. Their securities, their firewall, their whatever resources are there, that will be used by the VMware only. So basically this is a VMware company and their resources are used by the people of VMware, not outside the people. Outside people cannot use it. That is called private cloud. The good thing about the private cloud is your security will be on top level. Your security will be on top level. In public cloud, there is a chances that your security may be hampered. There is a chances. Again, they are also trying the best, but again, it's like you understand, right? The third deployment model in the cloud is hybrid cloud. So what is this hybrid cloud? So hybrid cloud, as the name suggests, it is the combination of two things. One is cloud, then second one is on premises. See, when you talked about the client, now client may have some sort of data and they are thinking that okay, I want to keep some of the data on premises and some of the data on cloud. In that case, they will go with the hybrid cloud. For example, let's say I have a database. Okay, my current database is on premises. So I have an Oracle database and this is on premises only. But what I want to do, I want to take this data, I want to ingest this data and process this data by using a service called Databricks, right? So Databricks is hosted on your, let's say, Azure. So basically here you have some data which is available on Oracle on premises. You have certain your data, your processing power, you are doing it on Databricks, which is on Azure cloud or AWS cloud also. So that time this is something we called it as a hybrid cloud. Fourth but not the least, the category we have multi-cloud also. In multi-cloud, it is a combination of multiple cloud vendor, like you can take the combination of Azure plus AWS. So what this client will do, they will not rely on one cloud only. What they will do, they will try to store some data on, let's say, AWS. They will use the AWS for storage purpose, and the same data if they want to process, they will process by using the Azure Databricks related services. So again, that's completely depending upon the client to client, how the costing is there, how the costing of storage on cloud, how the costing of storage on Azure, so they can take the decision. Having a multi-cloud is good for cost, but sometimes it is quite difficult when you are talking about the managing the things, like you have certain things available in one home, certain things available in another home. So basically you need a separate team who will be the skillful for your multiple cloud also. So these are the 4 cloud deployment models are there. Public cloud means anyone can use the services. The top vendors are Azure, GCP, AWS. Then we have a private cloud. It is similar like on premises, provided additional features like virtualization, networking, VMware, all those things will be available into the public cloud. Then we have hybrid. Hybrid is a combination of on premises plus cloud, and the last one multi-cloud. So you can keep your multiple data into the multiple cloud vendors like AWS and Azure. So storage purpose you can use AWS S3 bucket, and for processing you can use Azure Databricks. So that's all about the cloud deployment model. This is something which is very interesting when you are talking about the interview questions also. Again, I know that this is not the end. The 5th one is coming and I'm going to come very soon. If you guys are interested for next video, just mention interested in the comment section. You guys can follow me on the LinkedIn, Instagram, and if you are looking for cloud training, data engineering training, DevOps training, any other training, you can reach out to the Learnomate. And let me know like how you feel about this video. If you guys are interested, you can share this video on your LinkedIn profile, tag me. That will be really helpful. You can take a snapshot and just send it to your friends, family, everyone. Again, we are starting a new batch of data engineer guys. This will be completely real time. So see you. If you don't want to invest the money on knowledge, no worries. You can get all these things here completely free of cost. Thank you for listening me. Have a great day, and please mention interested in the comment section so that I'll be getting created with the next video very soon. Thank you, and don't forget my name, Learnomate Technologies. My name is Ankush Todi. Thanks.